What's up, guys? John from Metal Fingers, and today I would like to walk you through a POV that we did recently in Chicago. Me and my friends went up for a weekend from my friend Connor's birthday, and I ended up shooting a bunch of HP5 bulk loaded black and white in my F3, and this is what we got.
Yes.
How you doing? I'm sorry, I got no cash. He said, that's $100,000, man. Give me some cash. That was awesome. Yeah, bosses.
Shit about me, okay? Don't be calling me no bitch. You don't know nothing about me.
Here I am acting all courteous and shit, trying to spark up a conversation. Nigga gotta call you a bitch to get your attention.
I'm a black woman, okay? I deserve respect. Don't be calling me no bitch. If I'm a bitch, your mama's a bitch.
Say that black woman shit. You bleed once a month just like the rest of the folks. We ain't talk about my mama, we talk about just stuck up ass.
So at this point, we were a little exhausted from the day before, from like driving and stuff like that, and we ate so much, so we took this time to go back to the hotel and just relax and like hang out with the friends and stuff like that. I woke up a little bit earlier than everyone else because they were still a little bit tired from last night, and I kind of wanted to get my blood was flowing, so I kind of wanted to, you know, get the street photography thing going like as early as possible. So I got up around like 6 or something like that. Everyone was in the house and everyone, you know, was still sleeping. Got up, grabbed my camera, and I got out the door. So just like, you know, a couple minutes into walking downtown Chicago, I ended up seeing a guy across the street who was literally like holding his camera the same way I was. How you doing? What you shooting over there?
Like it.
F2.
That's a great camera, man.
That's a great camera.
Yeah, thanks.
I saw you walking, I was like, what's that guy doing? It's kind of just like the fly on the wall.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Alan.
My name's John.
Good to meet you, John.
How long you been doing black and white? I mean, clearly longer than I have, but
You're black and white?
I do black and white.
Oh, I do. I'm shooting color today, but most
Today?
of black and white 40 years.
40 years?
We started walking down the street. He let me know his name, and then I gave him my name. And basically the conversation spiraled into us talking about how going to school for photography is amazing, because it's not just going to school, it's more the people you meet, how fast you learn certain things. And also I feel like certain people that go to school have certain knowledge about certain things that you might not have, and the experiences that they may have may definitely help you out and further you in your career. But I think the conversation with meeting up with this guy was like amazing.
Oh yeah. Big Alan conquering the city.
You know, I also have I have a monochrome.
And I didn't know that they made black and white digital Leicas. I'm probably slow, but at the same time, I don't have money to pay for those. So
That thing's awesome, dude.
What's your name?
My name is John.
She said, project the hot tub. And now you observe the tone of a free baby. She said, project the hot tub. And now you observe the tone of a free baby.
Oh my god, he's so cute. You guys just get him? Yeah, he's still a baby, but he looks so big. May I get a picture of him? Okay. Oh yeah. Thank you guys. He's so cute.
Welcome to the show.
Excuse me, could I get a picture of you guys? It's okay if not. Okay, that's fine. Thank you. Damn. Nah, we good, bro. They look good though. You look good. Why don't you want pictures? That's weird.
Welcome to John's show.
Alright, so I appreciate you guys for watching through the video. to kind of sum everything up, I believe that the street photography game is like a playground for me. It's like a place that I can go and turn around and there's things happening constantly, and I think it's like very intriguing for me, and it's like it's super amazing, and shooting black and white makes that like 10 times better because you're not worried about, you know, the colors that are in your images. It's about composing and lighting. That's the only thing that truly matters, of course. But I would say my favorite, I would say the one with the guy and his dog sleeping on the street was my favorite, but at the same time it was kind of the saddest photo, so I wouldn't really want to point too much light on that. But at the same time, it's, you know, it's reality, it's life, and I'm photographing it, I'm documenting it. I would say my favorite images were probably just walking around with my friends, and then just like while they kept walking, I would stop and see certain things. And yeah, they'd be confused why I would stop, but it's just, it tells you and it shows you that, you know, the minds think differently. I'm not saying they can't photograph, but definitely if you're a photographer, you view things differently and your mind's going to react a certain way to a lot of things. So I thought that the Chicago trip was super dope for me. I definitely think next time I want to go out more and go to different places and venture out a little bit more and maybe go somewhere else new next time. So next time maybe we'll get a different POV. All right, well, I appreciate you guys for watching. Let me know what you think about the POV video. Next time I'll probably try to go somewhere else different. List on the comment below whether if you want me to go somewhere different, or comment below and let me know if you would like me to come see you and meet up. We could shoot a POV together. That'd be sick though, like if we met up with people and did a POV. I'm gonna text Photo Dre, I just got Twitter.